पैशनेट अबाउट फिल्म्स. एक सेट से दूसरे सेट 18 घंटे काम करना. Then I went on to launch my label. Then the whole balance between label and costumes. And फिर दिल्ली में बहुत बड़ा स्टोर खोला, बॉम्बे में, अब हमारा दुबई मॉल में स्टोर है. So it's been now it's a big business. But एक दिल में हमेशा ख्वाहिश थी कि I want to make films. And during COVID, जब हमारे पास, हम सब के पास work time था to look within, to introspect. And that time I was like, you know what, I'm going to be busy. I'll have to take out time and maybe before direction back interesting storytellers. And I always think कि क्या होता है कि जब कोई known names होते हैं, they tend to always make bigger things, bigger stars, bigger films. Maybe because there's a lot more money there. But I felt that कोई ऐसा नहीं करता that you back more intimate films, newer names. And I thought कि मुझे film industry ने और फिल्मों ने बहुत दिया. I've been in love with films since the past of age of 5 or 6. Grown up on films. Very lucky to have a mother who supported that. She let me go and watch films. So I think films have given me name, relationships, everything. For me it was a give back. I want to support films and I think Stage 5 is, I wanted to make a production company and I called it Stage 5 because I started with modeling, went on to doing costumes. From costumes I went on to launching my brand. From that I launched into jewelry and now movies. So it's the 5th thing, right? And मुझे लगा कि कुछ unusual होना चाहिए. लोग expect करेंगे glamour होगा, big stars होंगे, fashion के ऊपर होगा. मगर क्यों, ये अलग है. वो मेरा एक costume career था. फिर मैंने label शुरू किया. मैं costumes आज भी करता हूँ फिल्मों के, जो label से अलग होती हैं, जो कपड़े शादी के होते हैं, costumes अलग होता है, jewelry अलग है. So they are different, they're diverse, it's diversifying. And I wanted कि ऐसी कोई फिल्म हो जो अलग लगे. And when Tiska narrated the film to me, मैंने जब script सुनी and when the narration got over, मैंने कहा I'm making this film. कि अगेंस्ट नहीं हूँ, मैं ऑफ कोर्स बनाऊंगा, मैं ग्लैमर कंटेंट भी बनाऊंगा, पर मेरे लिए ये था कि नहीं, मुझे कुछ अलग बनाना है और ये मैं बना रहा हूँ. इनफैक्ट जब हमने फिल्म का मुहूर्त किया और मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स को भेजा तो उन्होंने कहा कि आपने मुहूर्त कर लिया, आपने बुलाया नहीं. तो ऐसे, पर देखिए 6 बजे सुबह मुहूर्त था, वो भी मुकेश मिल्स में, तो मैं कहाँ बुलाता आप लोगों को, मैं क्यों, मैं फिल्म दिखाऊंगा. And I think when you want to do something, na Bharti, clarity is very important. And I think being secure, I'm very secure from within. Because अगर आप अंदर से secure नहीं हो ना, you don't want to share the platform with others. And I want to share the platform with others. I want to support the others. That's the thing I've come with, and that's what Stage 5 is all about. And now we have 3 films. So Sari Mohabbat is premiered today. Then my other film Banti Ki with Abhay Deol, Shabana ji, Zina ji is ready as well. And my third film Uljulul Ishq with Naseer Saab, Vijay Verma, Fatima, we just completed the edit. So what's interesting is, except for Shabana ji with whom I have Bijwa and I've known her and very close to her, but all the other actors are not my friends. It was the first time I was working with them, meeting them a lot. बहुत एक interesting journey थी. हैरान थे. They were surprised and they were like, वो आप ये बना रहे हो? But excited भी थे, बहुत प्यार दिया उन्होंने. I think the actors have been lovely with me. And yes, and as a producer and as my production company, we are involved. Costumes क्या है, set design क्या है, DOP कौन है, casting क्या है, music का बहुत शौक है. So we are very involved producers to support the first time directors. Like we have that art, we have a hand, नहीं ऐसे करते हैं. So we're fully involved. Well, I wanted to make Meena Kumari's biopic, but अब वो नहीं हो रहा है, हम नहीं कर रहे हैं उसको. But I think of any legendary actress.
Who comes to your mind apart from Meena ji?
I don't know.
Manish Malhotra is all about.
Well, it could be biopic of Sridevi ji. I was so close to her. love her so much, miss her so much. I think अगर आप बायोपिक का पूछ रहे हो तो yes.